I published the previous video, which was out at Sankampeng, art at the Naive Cafe 2 days ago. That was Friday, and I said within that video that there was a restriction from visiting temples imposed by government law, Sod's law. Yesterday we went along to a temple. We were invited by friends of ours, Nadia and Mark, to participate in a ceremony called a Kathin. This little temple is really quite old by the look of some of the stuff around here, but it's quite run down. And today we're here doing a tambun, and it's generally called a Kathin, which is a little tree that holds money, being brought here and to be accepted, blessed, and contributing towards the maintenance and development of this temple. Abbot at this temple is now giving a sermon, giving a bit of background as to the event, as to why it's happening and who the person is that he's talking to, Mark. And Mark is taking part in this ceremony. It's amazing. Nadia and Mark are good friends of ours. We go to their home and eat food with them, enjoy their company. We support them in many things they do. When you come to a place like this, a temple that's in the field or valley or forest area, it's not in the town, it's not in the city, it's feeling quite poor. It's very run down, but as with most Thai temples in Thailand, there's development, and it's not a build and finished and looking fantastic. It is a development over years. They ask for the money and they get the development. They ask for the money, they get the development. New roof, new annex. Here, the buildings all around are going up, changing the overall look of the place, but it's taken, I would suggest, 10, 15, 20 years to get to where it is now. Love the way the dogs follow the monk around here. He's got several sat with him at all times. He's inside with the 16, 20 people that are here today, and the dogs are all outside on the steps having a sleep. And the dog is barking. He's taking part in the blessing. The monks have just finished the blessing of the Kathin that Nadia, Mark and family, friends have donated to this temple. This sort of Thai culture event seems to blend the normal everyday occurrences. You just take a breath and you just do something different, and maybe somebody relaxes whilst they're doing something. Maybe they've got their hands together 1 minute and then checking their phone and then going back to the prayer again and that sort of thing. It's natural. This is what happens in Thailand, and it's accepted. It's natural. This is Thainess. It's beautiful. We shouldn't all get strung up on ceremony being so precise and formal. This is a respected celebration of giving to this temple by our friends, family, Mark and Nadia, from their heart. And the ceremony behind it, whether it be relaxed, whether it be slightly informal, it's okay. That's what happens here. คุณนะครับทุกๆคนนะครับแล้วก็ที่ได้ร่วมทำบุญกันมานะครับเพราะว่า
การหลังจากที่เรารวบรวมการทำผ้าป่าครั้งนี้นะครับก็ถือว่าเป็นบุญใหญ่มากเลยนะครับก็รวบรวมเงินได้ถึง 3,300 นะครับเฮ้ย33,000 นะครับ900 นะครับ68 บาทนะครับก็ถือว่าเป็นบุญนะครับที่ดีมากแล้วก็ถือว่าเป็นเลขที่ดีนะครับสำหรับใครอยากไปแทงเลขหวยก็เชิญนะครับ
So the law doesn't restrict us doing Kathin. Funnily enough, the government have issued a news bulletin this last couple of days to say that the restrictions now will be lifted, with some restrictions still in place but modified, and we can now go to many places, albeit in a modified way. So the future's bright. I'm looking forward to getting out more. These fishermen just drifting on down the river, leisurely style. What a wonderful way to spend a Sunday afternoon. We've come out of the house and driven down to Chom Thong. It's about half an hour's drive from where we live, and it's a very pleasant drive to see the countryside, see the clouds, very beautiful clouds in the sky today. And we've come to Parinda Garden, and here in the middle of this place is a coffee shop, and the coffee shop is actually in the middle of a tree stuck up in the air. Also in the grounds here there is a resort, so you can come and stay by the river in thatched cottages. Thanks for joining me this week. If you've liked this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up, and also read the description below. You'll see some details there about where this video was taken and a little bit more detail about what we've been up to. Leave me a comment below. Let me know what you thought of this video, and have you participated in a Kathin? When you've been to Thailand, have you taken part in any ceremonies whatsoever? Did you see ceremonies that you were interested in, wondering what on earth was going on? There's no details, there's no instruction manual. You've got to pick it up from somebody who's going to explain it to you. And I've been here 16 years now, and I'm still learning. Anyway, until next time, see you. Bye bye.